If you're looking for that sleeved up look without the permanence of tattoos, these sleeves are absolutely perfect. They look bona fide badass. They got some great designs on them. They fit great. They don't itch. Very, very breathable material. And what I like about it is at the end of the day, I can go home. I could take these off. They look bona fide badass. They look like they're absolutely a part of me. I mean, these are an absolutely great product. So if you're looking for the double sleeve look, or maybe you just want to rock the one sleeve, yeah, not a better product on the market than these guys right here. Fit great, look great, feel great, and at the end of the day, take them off. Tattoos are expensive. Tattoos hurt. These are the way to go if you're looking to be a biker for Halloween. Yeah, absolutely perfect. 5 stars. I recommend these all day. Look great, feel great, just awesome product, man. And I mean, just look at the details here. Good stuff.